Before you agree to a full hardwood floor sanding, ask yourself this: does your floor really need it? At Good House Floor Care in Charlotte, North Carolina, we know every hardwood floor tells a different story. Some floors only need a screen and recoat to remove surface wear and bring back the shine, while others with deep scratches, heavy damage, or worn-out finishes may need a full sanding. The goal isn't to do the biggest job, it's to do the right job that protects your floors and saves you money. Not sure what your hardwood floors need? Contact Good House Floor Care in Charlotte today.